Okay, you guys, so I have a little bag right here. Not a little bag, like a little box. I literally cut this open of a whole bunch of new makeup. This is just makeup that I have personally haven't tried and it's new to me. Okay, just go with it. Just roll with it. Just let's make it seem like none of us haven't tried it, okay? So the first thing that I'm going to try is the True Match Lumi Lotion Natural Glow Enhancer. And so this is supposed to be a natural enhancer, you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this maybe too much of enhancer. Like, damn. Did I apply too much? I don't know. But I'm actually going to use this as like a base under my foundation. Just because I've been really liking to use like glowy stuff under my foundation. I feel like it makes it look so dewy. Really like how this feels, you guys. Like, it feels so moisturized. Kind of dries like quick. Dude, but look at my skin. Like, do you see the difference? Whoa. Dude, my pore is gonna look so big. Ideas. Yes, honey, I'm leaving for it. Okay, I definitely so excited to try this foundation, you guys. This is the new Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. I know this is not like super new. I believe this came out like last year, by the end of last year, so basically almost 2018. I heard so many good things about it and I'm super excited to put it on my face right now. Oh, whoa, what was I doing? I was like twisting. I almost opened it. Okay, so it does has a pump, which is pretty damn awesome. Let's put it on this dirty ass beauty blender, and then I wonder why I get pimples. Okay, I'm gonna dot it or just blend it in. Wow, you see how that blended, dude? Like, and the coverage, wow. I'm like, yes, baby, look at that, you guys. I don't know, I've been loving using glowy stuff under, you guys. Well, I was so stoked when this came out. I was like, ooh, that's gonna be good, honey. Like, it makes my foundation feels like super smooth. I love the application of this foundation. Whoa. Yes, honey, yes. Work it. Dude, this looks so flawless. Like, it's smooth. I think this is my new favorite foundation, to be honest. Oh my god, it feels like it dries to like a satin finish. If you're not aware what a satin finish is, it's not matte and it's not like dewy glowy. Is in between. Like, matte and dewy had a baby together, so it's satin. We're good. Foundation is good to go, honey. Good to go. You guys, what I've been dying to use is this new Revolution Conceal and Define. Oh my god, this has been like due for the heart shape tape concealer, which I've never got because that's super expensive. Like, that's way too much for me. Okay, I'm actually gonna be applying it with these little sponges right here. These are the Real Technique 2 Miracle Mini Eraser Sponge. They're so tiny and like so cute, you guys. Oh my god, it's like a baby little egg. So I actually found this little sponge on Marshalls. It was like $2 for both of them, and I just picked them up because I was like, oh my god, $2, Real Technique. And they're eraser, makeup eraser. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna use that to apply concealer. I'm actually gonna wet them. You guys, let's just take a moment. Look how freaking cute. Oh my god, I love this one. So this is the first time actually using the concealer, you guys, the Revolution concealer, and I think he also has like the same one as the heart shape tape. And now, you guys, I'm taking my little eraser sponge and blend this out. Oh my god, it feels so soft, dude. Like, is this supposed to be an eraser? Oh my god, I feel like this concealer is drying a little bit too quick. Yeah, this sponge is not. You see that? How it's like just leaving strikes? Not good. Yeah, that concealer, you guys, is like drying super quick. Holy, but it blends in like a cream. You see that? Like, this is not making justice to it. Like, oh my god, like, how are you supposed to erase your makeup? I don't get it. Like, what the, like, if you make a mistake, you just take this and like swipe it off. That just, I mean, for the price, you guys, like, it's really nice. I think sleek makeup is supposed to be something affordable. I have not used this. Yesterday I was like testing the color. I have yet to use this little palette. I have not used it. This is the Sleek Makeup Contour Cream Contour Kit. They're like super soft and super creamy as well. I hope this is not too dark. And I'm actually using this Morphe MO brush, which I really like to blend out my contour. I always love this brush. It's like one of my favorites. Super soft. Like, look at that. That's so light. So it's a little bit too reddish in my opinion. Like, I don't really like that tone. Alright. And sadly, you guys, I don't have like a new bronzing powder, and I always like to go back with bronzing powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up the face with this right here, which is the Rimmel Sunlight Bronzer. It is what it is, honey. I'm also gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with this new Luxe Pro Powder in the shade Banana, which I think is gonna be super yellow on me. It's by J.cat. This is actually my first time trying anything by this brand. So I'm just gonna take a little tiny bit on this little sponge, which is so damn cute. And I'm gonna set the under eyes. Oh, it's actually not as yellow as I thought it was gonna be. Holy crow. Oh, yes it is. Never mind. And it's bad. Whoa. Yeah, this is really bad. And this is not even blending in, you guys. So I'm gonna use a dry one instead. That was bad. That was so bad. It still looks pretty yellow under my eyes. Like, look at that. That's just a bad look. And the packaging is even worse, you guys, because you kind of have to like you see what I mean? Like the top, like if I put this back the top of there, it's gonna be a freaking mess. So it's just that no, you guys, with this foundation, it's super pretty. I'll be honest, the palette that I have for today, I'm actually gonna leave it for another video. It is a very affordable palette, you guys, and it looks like this is a new brand that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys, but I'm not gonna use it in this video because I'm gonna do a full video on this. I'm actually gonna use this because I want to use some colors. I haven't like really done much with this palette, so I really wanted to use it today. And I know it's not super affordable, but they always do have like super good discounts, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and take the Masquerade Julius palette. So I'm gonna start with this shade right here. So I'm actually going to start on the center of the lid, like right up there, and then just start working it onto the crease. And taking a clean brush, you guys, I'm just gonna go back onto those rough edges and blend it in. Next, I'm taking this shade right here, and this is the shade Adia. I think that's how you say it, you guys. And then I'm just gonna go back once again with a little white brush. This is from Morphe, by the way, you guys. In case you're wondering, this is the M514. Use my code at idon'thaveone.com. And again, you guys, I'm just gonna continue reapplying that same shade. And you guys just want to kind of repeat the same step till you get the desired like intensity of the color. Of course, gotta go back and blend. So I'm actually gonna go in with this blue shade right here, and this is from the palette 39A. And again, you guys, I'm applying this on the crease just to darken everything a little more like that. And I'm using a little small brush like this, and I'm just really working that shade like on the lower crease. And I'm just gonna go back, you guys, to that pink shade that we applied because we're losing it. Whoa. I'm taking this shade and super lightly, a little bit of more color to the eye. Okay, you guys, time to cut the crease. You guys know that has to happen. So I'm actually gonna do like a little circle. Let's see how that goes. So I'm kind of first just trying to do the outline that I want. Like, it's so hard for me to do a circle. I've been trying to do this look, you guys, for a while now, and it's just like frustrating. Okay, so I'm gonna try to like reshape this circle with the purple shade around it. Okay, you guys, so we're going back to the palette, and I'm actually taking this shade right here on the corner. I'm using this shade to mattify the whole eyelid, and then we're gonna add a pop of neon color around it. And I'm actually gonna take a little bit of this glitter right here, you guys. It's like a such a gorgeous color. I'm gonna be applying that on the center of the lid, just like a little tiny bit. And I'm actually taking that little pink shade once again and just applying it right on top of that there, just to. And of course, you guys, the touch is to add some lashes. Okay, you guys, so for the lower lash, I'm going back to the Masquerade palette. I'm using the pink shade right here, and I'm applying that all over my lower lash. And taking the 39A palette, I'm going back with this shade, the orange shade in the palette. And I'm actually gonna take some gel liner by Morphe, and these are actually, you guys, their new gel liner. They're super like dark. They have 6 different shades. And I'm also taking the shade Lit as Fuck, and I'm gonna put a little bit right in the inner corners, like whoop. And for mascara, I'm taking this by Catrice. Catrice is super affordable, you guys, and I'm gonna be applying a little bit tiny bit on my lower lashes. Okay, you guys, so now that my eyes are finally done, I feel like I took so long doing this eye look, but we're going now to highlighter. And I'm actually trying these 2 babies right here from Makeup Revolution, or Revolution Makeup, I don't know. Here I have their liquid bronze gold highlighter, which I've never again tried. The packaging is super cute. It's like a rose. This actually is really thick. I don't know how would I apply. Whoa. Ooh, this looks like it's gonna be blinding. So weird. I feel like it removed my foundation, and you can now see the yellow setting powder. But I like the way it sets, super pretty. And now for this beauty, you guys, is the powder highlight, which looks like this, and this is in the shade Gold Addict. Pretty. Like, it blends in so nice, you guys, and I feel like you can build this up to be super blinding. It almost looks like iridescent or something. Of course, last but not least, I am using this CoverGirl Look Laka to set the whole entire face. So I'm gonna go ahead and overline the lips. Jesus, take the wheel. And I'm actually gonna take a brush, you guys, to mix this lip color. Got some big lips today. Anyway, my loves, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know I did kind of went off the drugstore, the affordable side, but it's just because I can never stick to one thing, you guys. I'm always like jumping all over when I start makeup. Like, hey, it is what it is. I like how it turned out, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe and thumb up this video to help your girl out, and I'll see you guys on my next one.